Okay, so this is a question taken straight from the Hegarty clip. This game decreased in price by a third. So at the start, when it was full price, there were 3/3. It decreased in price by a third, so a third has gone. After the reduction, it was £12. So when there was only this bit left, it was £12. That means each of these thirds must be worth 6. So the original price, all 3/3, would have been £18. So you've got to think about the fact the original one will have been the 3/3. After reducing by a third, I would only have 2/3 left. How much is that cost? Split that into your 2/3. That tells you what a third is, then you can go back to your 3/3. Okay, and then here's another one. This is an increase. So this time, remember, when it was at its original, this is dealing with quarters. So when it's at its original, it would have had 4 quarters. Now what they did is increase it by a quarter. So now I've got an extra quarter. Now I've got 5 quarters. After the increase, it was £65. So what was the original price of the t-shirt? So that's asking me what was the original price. Now, the £65 represents 5 quarters. So I need to divide it by 5 to work out how much each part is worth. Each of those is worth 13. And it's the same in the original. So 4 lots of 13, I think, would be my 52. So the original price was £52. I really recommend drawing diagrams. Always think about the original, how many parts there would be, and then how many parts there would be if they take some off or add some on. Then apply the number to the correct bar model, and then work out the parts, and then go back to the original. Have a go, see if that helps with some of the questions.